In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gmail account. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. Start by opening your browser and going to g.co recover. That short link takes you straight to Google's official account recovery page. On that screen, enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover, or the phone number linked to it. If you don't remember the exact address, don't worry, we'll cover that in a moment. Google will ask a series of verification questions. Answer them as accurately as you can. The more details you get right, the easier it is for Google to confirm you're the account owner. If you see the option, use a device you've signed in on before like your usual phone, tablet, or computer because Google recognizes trusted devices and that can make recovery smoother. If your issue is a forgotten password, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to receive a verification code. You can choose your recovery email or your recovery phone number. Enter the code you receive and set a new, strong password. If you're asked for the last password you remember, type the most recent one you can recall. Even an older one helps confirm your identity. If you can't remember your email address, choose the option to find your account. Provide a recovery phone number or recovery email and your full name. Google will use that information to help locate your username. If you can't access your recovery email or phone, continue with the questions on screen. You may be asked to answer security questions or confirm roughly when the account was created. Do your best to be accurate. Estimates that are close can still help. If you recently updated your recovery phone or email, be aware that changes can take up to 7 days to fully take effect. If recovery fails during that period, wait and try again after that window. Once you're back in, secure your account right away. Add or confirm a recovery phone number and recovery email so future recovery is quick and reliable. This step makes a big difference if you ever get locked out again. If you still can't regain access after trying these options, you may need to consider creating a new Google account so you can continue using Google services while you sort things out. And if all else fails, reach out to Google support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.